Get these students onto the stage. These are the winners of a running competition from nursery class. Zain Mohammad Ali got first prize. Mohammad Arfat got second prize. Sheikh Asifuddin the winners of Pick Up the Cone competition. Zain Mohammad Ali got the first prize. Sheikh Asifuddin, Rayan Khan.
What we have witnessed is not merely a performance, but a powerful display of strength, balance, discipline, and teamwork. A huge round of applause for our participants who performed the pyramid sport so magnificently. Creating a human pyramid is not an easy task. It demands mutual trust, physical endurance, mental focus, and perfect coordination. Each participant played a vital role, proving that success is achieved not by standing alone, but by standing together. I request Sheikh Anas of 7th class to come near the stage. I request 6 kid students to come near the stage. I request the students who participated in skit come near the stage. Sports is not just about winning medals or trophies. It is about building a strong body, a disciplined mind, and a healthy lifestyle. In today's
These are the
fast-paced
winners of running competition. First prize, Zain Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Arfaz
okay.
got the second prize.
Okay. In
Sheikh
today's
Asifuddin.
In today's fast-paced world where screens often replace playgrounds, sports play a vital role in keeping us physically fit and mentally active. To highlight the importance of sports in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, the girls of class 9 are all set to present a meaningful and entertaining skit taught by Aisha Siddiqa teacher and Yasmin teacher. A heartfelt gratitude to your efforts.
Yes, sir. You said that. For running, sir. For running fast.
These are the winners of running competition from nursery class. Zain Muhammad Ali, first prize. I request Srikant sir and Fayaz sir to felicitate the students.
Taking the mic. These are the winners of nursery. They have
Muhammad Arfat stood second in running competition from nursery class.
Here, boys, pay attention. I request all the boys, those who are in PT karate pyramid,
Sheikh
to wear your
Asifuddin
karate dresses.
scored
Boys,
third
get ready
prize
and wear your karate
in
dresses.
running competition from nursery class.
I request boys to wear your karate dresses. Yeah. except the boys who are performing for the dance. Please hold on. Other than that, you can wear your karate uniforms and get ready. Skit girls, take your positions.
आओ आओ नाटक देखो, नाटक देखो, नाटक देखो। बड़ी दूर से आए हैं, स्वस्थ नाटक लाए हैं। एक बार जो देखोगे, देखते रह जाओगे। ओ भैया, ओ मैडम, जरा ध्यान इधर लगाओ। मेहनत की हमने, मजा तुम उठाओ। हाँ हाँ, मजा तुम उठाओ।
तो स्वागत है आपका उस देश में जिस देश में दिन प्रतिदिन लोगों की रुचि खेल के समाप्त कम होती जा रही है।
स्वागत है आपका उस देश में जिस देश में लोग खेल के मैदान में कम, सोशल मीडिया पर ज्यादा समय प्रति कर रहे हैं।
अरे स्वागत है आपका उस देश में जिस देश में दिन प्रतिदिन टीवी और मोबाइल स्लिम होते जा रहे हैं और इंसान मोटे होते जा रहे हैं।
स्वागत है आपका उस देश में जिस देश में हम ये सरकार पर आरोप लगा देते हैं कि ओलंपिक में पदक कम क्यों आए हैं, परंतु अपने बच्चों को खेलों के प्रति प्रेरित नहीं करते।
अजी स्वागत है आपका उस देश में जिस देश में बीपी, शुगर और अस्थमा जैसी बीमारियां दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ती जा रही है। तो इसीलिए खेल है जरूरी, जरूरी है खेल, खेल है जरूरी, जरूरी है खेल, खेल है जरूरी, जरूरी है खेल, खेल है जरूरी, जरूरी है खेल।
अरे हिमांशु कहाँ चला?
अरे पिताजी, खेल के मैदान में जा रहा हूँ।
जब देखो तब खेल के मैदान में सारा दिन इस पहलवानी के घर में पागल हुआ जा रहा है। कभी पढ़ाई पर भी ध्यान लगा।
अरे पिताजी, क्या आप हर समय पढ़ाई करते रहते हो?
तूने सुना नहीं क्या? पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे खराब।
अरे भाई सर्वम, तुम भी किस जमाने की बात करते हो? अब कहावत समय के साथ साथ कहावत भी बदल चुकी है। अब तो पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे लाजवाब।
ये बात तो तुम सही कह रहे हो। जा बेटे, खूब खा और मन लगाकर खूब मेहनत कर।
ठीक है पिताजी।
हाँ भाई साहब, आप सही कह रहे हो। मैं आज ही इसके लिए अपने गांव से 10 किलो घी मंगा देती हूँ।
अरे बहन जी, सिर्फ घी से काम नहीं चलेगा, आपको इसके संतुलित आहार का भी ख्याल रखना होगा। सर्वम, तुम इसके कोच से जाके मिलो, वही इसको सही सलाह दे सकता है।
ये बात तो तू सही कह रहे हो। जा बेटे, मैं आज ही इसके कोच से मिलता हूँ।
तो इसीलिए खेल है जरूरी, जरूरी है खेल, खेल है जरूरी, जरूरी है खेल।
माँ कहाँ हो तुम?
आती हूँ बेटी। क्या हुआ? क्यों शोर मचा रखा है?
बताए आज हमारे स्कूल में क्या हुआ?
हाँ बता भी दो, क्या हुआ?
आज हमारे स्कूल की सभी लड़कियों ने अपने पसंद के खेलों में नाम लिखवाए हैं।
अच्छा, तुझे कौन सा खेल पसंद है?
माँ, मुझे तो बैडमिंटन खेलना पसंद है। और मैंने अपना नाम बैडमिंटन में ही लिखवाया है।
अरे पहले अपने पिताजी से तो पूछ लेती। क्यों माँ, पिताजी क्या मना कर देंगे?
हाँ हाँ, मना क्यों नहीं कर देंगे। तुझे नहीं पता इस खेल में लड़कियों को छोटी छोटी स्कर्ट पहननी पड़ती है।
तो क्या हुआ?
हुआ क्या नहीं, अगर तू छोटे कपड़े पहनेगी तो लोग बातें नहीं बनाएंगे।
भाई लोगों का काम तो बातें बनाना है, लेकिन जब मैं गोल्ड मेडल जीत कर लाऊंगी तो देखना सबके मुंह बंद कर दूंगी।
बड़ी आई मुंह बंद कराने वाली, जा अंदर जा, कोई खेल वेल में नाम नहीं लिखाना।
मैं तो खेलूंगी। माँ देखो भाई क्या कह रहा है।
अरे बेटा, तुम ये कैसी बातें कर रहे हो? जब तुम्हारी बहन को बैडमिंटन खेलना पसंद है तो तुम उसे क्यों रोक रहे हो?
माँ तुम्हें नहीं पता आजकल के माहौल का, कुछ ऊंच नीच हो गई तो।
माहौल की दुआई देखकर कब तक हम अपनी बेटी की प्रतिभा को दबाते रहेंगे?
माँ तुम सही कही हो, पर अक्षिता तुम्हें इसके लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी।
भाई मेहनत करने के लिए तो मैं बिल्कुल तैयार हूँ।
तो जा बहन, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी।
तो इसीलिए खेल है जरूरी, जरूरी है खेल। खेल है जरूरी, जरूरी है खेल। पहले मैं मोटा था, मोटा था, मोटा था। फिर मैंने क्रिकेट खेलना शुरू किया, लेकिन मैं और भी मोटा हो गया।
अरे भैया, तुमने क्रिकेट खेला और तुम और भी मोटे हो गए, ये क्या चक्कर है?
मैंने सोचा क्यों ग्राउंड में जाके मेहनत करूं, क्यों पसीना बहाऊं, मोबाइल में ही खेल लेता हूं।
मोबाइल में ही खेल लेता हूँ। मोबाइल में खेलने से क्या तुम्हारा वजन कम हो जाएगा?
ये तो आए दिन किसी ना किसी को कुछ ना कुछ कहती रहती है, इसका तो काम ही है कहना। मैं इतने में स्विगी से कुछ ऑर्डर कर लेता हूँ। हाँ भैया, 2 पैटीज, 2 कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स जल्दी से भिजवा दीजिए, बहुत भूख लग रही है। चलो जब तक ऑर्डर आता है मैं मोबाइल में क्रिकेट खेल लेता हूँ।
I request Director Madam to come near the stage.
आहा, आज तो बड़ा ही मजा आ गया। ये देखो स्वस्थ रहने का राज। आहा, आज तो बढ़िया पेट पूजा हो गई भाई। थैंक यू।
We have Zain Mohammad Ali, who secured first position in Pick Up the Cone. Please give a huge round of applause for him. Very good clap. Next we have Sheikh Asif Uddin, who won in Pick Up the Cone with his great spirit. We encourage your spirit, beta. Give a huge round of applause for him. Next we have Rayan Khan, who secured third position in Pick Up the Cone. Please give a huge round of claps for him.
I request karate boys to please come on the ground. Now we will perform karate skits and some demonstrations. By
Sports
Karate
Day
17.
is a celebration of strength, discipline, and self-control. And the next performance beautifully reflects all these qualities. Rooted in focus and determination, karate is not just a sport, it is a way of life that teaches confidence, respect, and mental strength. Get ready to witness an impressive display of speed, balance, and precision as our young warriors take the field. Please give a loud and encouraging round of applause for the Pyramids Karate Boys as they march in to showcase their skills, discipline, and fighting spirit.
Next we have Zain Muhammad Ali, who secured first position under the loop,
Punches boys.
under hoop race. Please give a huge round of claps. Next is Umar Ahmed, who secured second position in under hoop race. Please give a huge round of claps.
Boys, maintain distance. 2 hand distance first. नहीं वो.
Next we have Shoaib Rashidi of nursery class, who secured third position in under hoop race. Please give a huge round of applause.
Saif. Right. Bow. On this side. Take 2 hand distance fast. Turn this side. Alert. Bow. Position. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up.
Next we have Zahra Unisa of nursery class, who secured first position in running race. I request all of you to encourage children.
Come on.
Please give a huge round of
Come on.
applause.
Pyramid boys, stand here. Boys pyramid.
Mahinur Fatima of nursery class secured second position in running race. Give a huge
Come on,
round
base.
of applause.
Come on, back bending boys. Position, take a position. Back bending boys.
Next we have Isra Fatima of nursery class, who secured third
Come on,
position
second.
in running race. Give a huge round of
Come on,
applause.
second base. क्या हुआ? पोजीशन लो. ए तुम कहीं दोनों चढ़ रहे हो? कौन इधर? हाँ. Come on. Back bending boys. Come on. First row down. Slowly. Come on, get down, madam. Come on. Girls.
Next we have Zahra Unisa, who secured first position in pick up the cone.
Stomach controlling girls.
Give
Stomach
a
controlling
huge round of
girls.
applause.
Sumaya Salam.
Next is Isra Fatima, who secured second position in Pick Up the Code. Please give a huge round of applause. Next we have Amina Bastri, who secured third position in Pick Up the Code. Give a huge round of applause.
Aqsa Amina.
I request Farhana teacher to send Mahinur Fatima of nursery class near the stage. I repeat, I request Farhana teacher to send Mahinur Fatima near the stage. Next we have Amina Basri, who secured first
Stomach and
position
rolling
under the
girls.
hoop.
Come on, Aqsa. Go. Left.
Give a huge round of applause. Next is Mahinur of nursery class, who secured second position in under hoop race.
Come on, good girls. Come on, stand up. Flower pyramid girls.
Next is Amaira Akhtar, who secured third position under hoop race.
गर्ल्स ये कराटे के जो पिरामिड्स है, कराटे के जो गर्ल्स है, अपन शाहरुख खान सलमान खान के रहते हो क्लैप्स मारते हैं, लेकिन अपने बच्चों के लिए अपन क्लैप्स नहीं कर रहे हैं. ये वो रियल हीरोज है, ये रियल हीरोज हैं. अब कमान कमान फोर्थ रो.
I request first class students go for games. I request first class students to come to track game.
थर्ड रो.
We have Zoya Fatima of JKG class,
Third row
who
girls.
secured first position in running.
Come on, second row.
From a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
Come on, first row girls.
Next is Adam Fatima Khan of the JKG class, who secured second position in running.
Come on, close. First row seat. All of you close.
Next is Mehwish Fatima of JKG class, who secured third position in running race. Give a huge round of applause for our winners.
Come on. First row. Second. Third. Fourth. Come on, back bending left. Come on, swing. Stop. Fourth row. Third row. Second. First. Come on, back bending down. Stand up, stretching, stand up. Come on, remove. Stand up, girls.
By the grace of the fire and the flames, you're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my
Next
veins.
we have Anam Fatima Khan of JKG class who secured first position in Pick Up the Cone.
Anam. Harshini. Mamas. Stop the music.
Next we have Halima
Stop
Fatima
the
of
music.
JKG class who secured second position in Pick Up the Cone race. Next is Marwa Binte Umar who secured third position in Pick Up the Cone race. Please give a huge round of applause for our winners. I request parents to cheer up children. We have Anam Fatima Khan who secured first position under the hoop race. Give a huge round of applause.
I request all the second class students to come in front of the stage. All the second class students.
We have Hafsa
Come
Ahmed
in
of
front of the
JKG class
stage.
who secured second position under hoop race.
I request all the second class students, boys and girls, come in front of the stage.
Next we have Marwa Binte Umar who secured third position under hoop race.
ये गर्ल्स का सेल्फ डिफेंस टेक्निक्स है. जो गर्ल एक, ये जो पीछे जो है ये दो बॉयज है, ये जो सामने है वो एक वन गर्ल है. गर्ल्स को और बॉयज दोनों हरासमेंट करने से वो अपने आप को किस तरीके से सेल्फ डिफेंस करते वो अपने आप को देखिए. कम ऑन स्टार्ट. Come on, very good. Come on. Come on, girls, pyramid girls. Pyramid girls. Second
I
pyramid
request all the
girls.
second
Second
class
pyramid
students
girls.
to come in front of the stage.
Back bending girls, take your
We have
positions.
Sheikh Abdul Rizwan of JKG class who secured first position in running race. Next is Mohammad Yusufuddin Hamdan of JKG class who secured second position in running race. I request all of you to encourage children with a huge claps. Next is Arsalan Khan of JKG class who secured third position in running race.
Very Afan Azneen.
We have Sheikh Abdul Rizwan of JKG class who secured first position in pick up the cone race. Next we have Ahmed Khan of JKG class
Come
who
on, clap,
secured
girls.
second position
Bending,
in
back
pick
bending.
up the cone
Left.
race.
Rolling start. Stage.
Next we have
This
Mohammad
is a karate
Yusufuddin
girls.
Hamdan who secured third position
Come
in
on,
pick up the
first.
cone race. Please
Come
give
on.
a huge
First
round
row
of
down.
applause
Come on, clap your
for our
parents.
winners.
Back bending down. Sumaya Salam. Play the music.
We have Sheikh Abdul Rizwan who secured first position in under hoop race. Next we have Mohammad Yusufuddin Hamdan who secured second position in under hoop
सेम
race.
गर्ल्स है स्कूल स्टूडेंट है स्कूल से घर जा रहे तो पीछे दो बॉयज उनको हरासमेंट करने के लिए आ रहे तो वो अपने आप को सेल्फ डिफेंस किस तरीके से कर रहे हैं आप पेरेंट्स थोड़ा एंकरेज करें तो उन लोगों को भी
Next we
जोश
have
आता है उन लोगों
Mohammad
का
Naifuddin
Come
who
on.
secured
Start.
third
Play the
position
music.
in under hoop race.
प्ले म्यूजिक
Piracy is a crime. Kill piracy.
పైరసీ భూతాన్ని చంపండి మా ఇండస్ట్రీని
వెరీ గుడ్ కమ్ ఆన్ క్లాప్ గుడ్ కమ్ ఆన్ థ్యాంక్ యూ
We have Sheikh Ayan of SKG class who secured first position in running competition. Next we have Hamza Hussain of SKG class who secured second position in running competition.
It's not just a race, it's a race of confidence, a race of discipline.
Next we have Sheikh Akif of SKG class who secured third position in running competition.
I request 6th class girls to go on Kho court. We are about to start Kho at 6th class. Please report their girls to Mujahid sir. I request Mujahid sir to please go on the Kho court. 6th class boys, please go to Dhanraj sir for shot put. Sixth class boys, go for shot put. Dhanraj sir, to the left of the ground, to the extreme left of the ground. Go to Dhanraj sir. Sixth class boys, sixth class girls, go for Kho at Kho court. I request all the students to clear the court immediately.
We have Sajjad
Seventh
Ahmed
class
of
boys,
SKG class
please
who
come for
secured first
Kabaddi.
position in pick up the cone race.
7th class boys, please report at Kabaddi Stadium to Zakir sir. Zakir sir, please go to Kabaddi court.
Next we have Syed Akif, who secured second position in pick up the cone race.
6-2 boys, shot put at the corner of the ground.
Next we have Sheikh Ayan, who secured third position in pick up the cone race.
Atiq, where is Atiq? Drying. 6th class boys, come to Zaki sir. 6th boys, 6th class boys, come to Zaki sir.
I request SKC class teachers to send Hania Kulsum and Mirha Fatima near the stage.
6th class boys, please report to Zaki sir. The game is about to start. After that, you should not complain.
I request SKG class teachers to send Mirha Fatima and Hania Kulsum near the stage.
6th class boys, come to Zaki sir. 7th class boys, go for
We
kabaddi
have
to Zakir sir.
Sajjad Ahmed, who secured first position under the hoop race.
Sixth class girls, report for Coco. This is the final call for you.
Sayyid Jamal, who secured second position under the hoop race.
Sixth class girls, this is the last call for you.
Next
I will
we have
cancel the
Sheikh
game.
Ayan, who secured third position under the hoop race.
Seventh class boys, go to Zakir sir for kabaddi at kabaddi court. Boys, students, please listen here. I am calling multiple times. Later, you should not complain that we are not calling you. We cannot keep on calling you each and every time. Still, Mujahid sir is waiting for 6th class girls for Coco. If you not report within 2 minutes, I will cancel the game and go for next class.
We have Sumaya Begum of SKG class, who secured first position in running race.
Sixth class girls, this is the last and final call for you. If you are not coming on the court, I will move on for 8th class. 6th class girls, go for Coco to Mujahid sir at Coco Stadium. Sorry, Coco Court.
All 6th class students, please report to Fatima teacher for lunch. I request 7th class students to report Mehveen teacher for lunch. I repeat, all 6th class students, please report to Fatima teacher for lunch. And please report to Mehveen teacher for lunch. 7th class students, please report to Mehveen teacher for lunch. I request SKG teacher to send Ghazia here near the stage.
Karate, kata and fight. Girls, stay here. फाइट में नहीं है आप लोग तो आप लोग यहाँ से
I repeat, I request SKG class teacher to send Ghazia near the stage.
नामा बुलाते हैं यहाँ रुक जाओ लोग ओके इब्राहिम पहले गर्ल्स को हो रहा गर्ल्स के बाद में फिर मैं बॉयज को बुलाता हूँ ओके नहीं मत उतारो नाम बोला बेटे. 5th class girls. Hey boys, what happened? Why is it here?
गर्ल्स का है
Stand up.
बॉयज नहीं गर्ल्स
बॉयज इधर आओ. कुछ तो लाओ ना यारो, इधर टेबल तो लाओ ना यारो, मालूम होता है कुछ तो भी, तुम खाली फिर रहे हो उस्ताद जी मेरे को.
कौन एंड फातिमा
5th class girl, कौन है फातिमा. हुरिया सिद्दीकी. उठ जाना बेटे.
उठ जाइए बाकी है बैठ जाइए गर्ल्स इधर आ जाओ एक काम करो इधर आओ
अजरा अजीम. खिजरा आमिना. माहिन बेगम. माहिरा खान.
We have Sumaya Begum of SKG class who secured first position in pick up the cone race. Next we have Sumaya Begum who
6th class
secured
girls.
second position in pick up the cone race.
अक्सा आमिना. मारिया. हाजरा खान.
Next we have Azia
Maria.
Hassan who secured third position in pick up the cone race. I request first
Sayyada
class teachers
Amina.
to send winners near the stage.
हिबा.
I repeat, I request first class teachers
Sayyada
to send
Amina
winners
Bano.
near the stage.
ताज मरवा. ताज मरवा. जारी से यहाँ. इब्राहिम मोहम्मद, तुम फौरन तो सर जाके पेन और 8-10 लिस्टां लेके आओ. पेपर A4 पेपर जो बोलो. आप ला नीचे उतरो बेटे. मैट से नीचे जाओ पूरे.
We have Sumaya Begum of first SKG class who secured first position in under the hoop race. Next we have Mahira Rahman of SKG class who secured second position in under the hoop race.
सेवंथ की ताकि
Next we have Manal Abdullah
Seventh
Shoaib
kata-
who secured third
seventh
position in under the hoop race. I request 6th class boys to go to Fatima teacher and take lunch from her.
7th class girls, Katha girls only, no fight. Only Katha's girls, come here.
I repeat, 6th class boys, please go to Fatima teacher to take lunch.
Girls, Atika, इधर आओ ना, थोड़ा इधर हटो. उमेदा, girls बैठो बेटा जरा. उधर चले आके. हाँ उधर चले आओ. उठो बेटा आप जरा इधर आ जाओ. आइए सीधे. Fight girls, stand up. Fight girls, stand up only. Only girls sit here. Sit बेटा. वहाँ पे बैठ.
ये बहाने इधर आओ। अच्छा फाइट किया क्या फाइट किया तुम? कदा से हो गया?
हाँ बेटा.
अमरीन
अरे यारो कल पेपर पे कल देख के आए ना.
फातिमा सुल्ताना मलाइका
Good morning. Shamer sir.
हेलो हेलो.
पूरा लाइट मार देते.
भाई सुबह में जरा पकड़ो
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन. सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन. सब ठीक है?
Ninth class, Sana Fatima, be in discipline. Hello.
शीट्स कहाँ है बेटे? कथा का परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में बोलो. कथा कराटे के कथा स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं अभी. रामंडी में कैसा बोलते हैं?
कराटे का ताश शुरू हो गया नामा ना को बोला खाली कराटे का ताश शुरू हो रही है आज कराटे का इवेंट शुरू होने जा रहा है
Hello. We are pleased to announce that the Karate Katha event is about to begin. I request all the participants of the Katha event to please come to the arena.
I request all the students to go to their respective teachers for lunch. I request all the students to go to their respective teachers for lunch.
I request all the 5th class students to come for Katha. Fatima Sakina Kaunen, I request videographer, please come here at Karate Court. I request videographer, please